The jungle is a vibrant symphony of life, where every sound tells a story. As I walk through this emerald paradise, the morning sun filters through the towering trees, casting playful shadows on the ground. The air is alive with the chatter of birds, each note a reminder of the diversity that thrives here. I can almost taste the freshness of the damp earth, rich with the scent of wet leaves and blooming flowers. The river nearby dances over smooth stones, its gentle babble a soothing soundtrack to my adventure. This place is a sanctuary, a reminder of nature's beauty and resilience, where every corner holds a new discovery waiting to unfold. Deep in the heart of this vibrant jungle, I found an unexpected friendship. I'm Leo, a curious young lion with a golden mane that glimmers in the sunlight. My best friend, Tico, a playful monkey with a quick wit and boundless energy. Together, we explore every nook and cranny of our wild home. Tico swings from the branches, chattering away, while I trot beneath, my mane brushing against the tall grass. We chase butterflies, discover hidden waterfalls, and share secrets beneath the ancient trees. Our differences make our adventures even more exciting. Tico's clever tricks always keep me on my toes, and I teach him the art of patience. In this jungle, we've learned that friendship knows no bounds, and every day is a new adventure waiting to unfold. One day, Tico and I decided to venture into a part of the jungle we had never explored before. Tico's eyes lit up with excitement as he suggested we find the legendary Great Waterfall. I felt a mix of thrill and nerves, but I couldn't resist the adventure. As we journeyed deeper into the jungle, Tico swung effortlessly from branch to branch, his laughter echoing through the trees. I followed closely, my paws softly padding on the forest floor, careful not to disturb the vibrant life around us. The air was thick with the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers, and every rustle in the bushes made my heart race. We were on a quest, fueled by curiosity and the promise of discovery. What wonders awaited us at the Great Waterfall? Only time would tell, but the thrill of the unknown was already electrifying. Tico, ever the daredevil, laughed and declared he'd swing right over them. "Oh, you scared me," she exclaimed, her voice trembling slightly. "I've been searching for my herd for what felt like ages." The moment we heard the rush of water, my heart raced with excitement. It felt like we were on the brink of a hidden treasure. As we pushed through the last of the trees, the great waterfall revealed itself, and I was instantly captivated. The sheer force of the water tumbling down created a mesmerizing dance of silver droplets, each one catching the light in a way that felt almost magical. The mist enveloped us, refreshing and invigorating, as if nature itself was welcoming us. Standing there, I realized this wasn't just a waterfall, it was a reminder of the beauty and power of nature. In that moment, surrounded by my friends, I felt a deep connection to the world around us, a sense of adventure that would stay with me forever. "We make a great team," I said, and I truly meant it. As the sun dipped below the horizon, I couldn't help but reflect on our incredible day in the jungle. Each twist and turn revealed something new: vibrant flowers, curious animals, and the thrill of the unknown. With my friends by my side, every challenge felt like a game, every shadow a potential adventure. We laughed, we explored, and we shared stories that will last a lifetime. It's amazing how a simple journey can transform into a treasure trove of memories. The jungle, once daunting, became our playground, reminding me that with the right company, even the wildest places can feel like home. As we walked back, I realized that it's not just about the destination, it's about the bonds we forge along the way.